YouTube, welcome. It's your boy, Al Mac. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And upon hitting that notification bell, you'll be notified about any video that I upload. Today, I'll be discussing 8 things about the Goldwing that I love. So guys, check out my Goldwing. My Goldwing, guys, is a 2003 GL 1800. And I absolutely love this motorcycle, guys. It's a true beauty. My Goldwing is in the Illusion blue color, and I think they only made this color for 2 years, and I think it was the 2002 and 2003 models, I believe. But yeah, I absolutely love the color and the styling of my Goldwing. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's get into the 8 things that I love about the Goldwing, okay? Guys, I have this in no particular order, but so I'm gonna just start naming things out, guys. I'm gonna name them out and just name these 8 things out that I love. And let's go with number 1. It has to be this big fat seat, guys. This seat really cups my butt in the motorcycle. It's so big and wide, it's soft and cushy, and I can never remember a time when I'm from riding this bike where my butt has actually hurt. Like, yeah, I've had, small pains in the back after going 3 and 4 hours straight, but never has it really hurt like on other motorcycles that I've been on, guys. But this seat right here is the most cushy motorcycle seat that I've ever sat on. Number two, it has to be the seating position. And a lot of that has to do with the position of the bars. The Goldwing doesn't really have high or low bars. They're sort of in the middle. And I love that, especially with me being 5'8" and like having that bar to really just fit my body type. And the foot pegs, guys, if you notice, they're sort of in a mid position, and I love the mid controls. And especially coming from the sport bike world, we don't really like our feet to be like really up front and out front like the Harleys are. So I think that this is a nice in between where I can get in a sporty position if I need to, but yet I'm also in a comfortable position at the same time. Number 3, guys, is the GL 1800 can be customized, and it can be customized in so many different ways. However you want this bike, it can be. If you see, like, I've customized mine a little bit, and I'm gonna do more. I've installed the little round ball mount, and I have my cup holder here, and this little piece here holds my GPS. I've switched out the windshield, and I put the Clockworks windshield instead of the stock windshield on the bike. Some people change out the turn signals. I've seen people add on the fog lights, and they have the cutouts there for it. If you see, I've put the Kiriakin foot pegs. The Kiriakin highway pegs on my motorcycle. I put a backrest on it, guys. Really, whatever you want to do. If you want to add accent lights and have it looking really cool at night, this bike can be customized. And I've seen Goldwings customized in so many different ways. I think that it's a bike that you can make your own. And I really love that about it. There's so many accessories and little gadgets that, one can buy for this motorcycle. The number 4 thing that I love about this motorcycle is that it has a flat power band. And again, with me coming from the sport bike world, I like to rev my bike out. And a lot of people really don't rev out their bikes the way that I do, but I love to just really keep my revs kind of high when I'm in the twisties. But this bike can handle it. It can handle me, keeping the RPMs at 2,000, at 1,000, but it can also handle me keeping them at 5,000 and 4,000 as well. That flat what is it, the flat 6 boxer engine. It can handle anything, guys. It's a really great engine for a motorcycle. I absolutely love it. The number 5 thing that I love about the Goldwing is that it has a lot of luggage capacity. The bags are absolutely massive, guys. And I don't really have specs and all of that. That's not what I do. I'm a motorcycle rider. I'm a motorcycle enthusiast. I don't really care about the exact specs of the bike, but I know that on this bike, I've never had an issue with the motorcycle not having enough luggage to hold what I need it to hold. This bike has enough luggage for me and my wife when we're out riding, touring, or whatever we're doing. Another thing that I love about the Goldwing, again, guys, I'm only 5'8", but the Goldwing has a reverse gear on it. So when I'm, parking uphill, downhill, maybe in the grass or something, I never really have to worry about getting the bike out of those situations. The reverse gear really helps me handle this 900-pound beast. All I do is hit that little button there, and the bike backs up as I need it to do. This bike really handles well for its size. I'm not going to say it's the best handling motorcycle that I've ever been on, because it's not. I have a ST 1300. That's my other touring bike, and it handles better than the Goldwing, but it's also lighter and it sits up higher, and it's a sport touring bike, and this is just a touring bike. But for its size and for what it is, I've never had an issue in any turn, corner, whether I'm scraping a peg or whatever I'm doing on this bike. It can handle the situation very well. The Goldwing is a good handling bike for its size. I've ridden the Electric Glide and Road Glide and other Harleys, and this bike handles a lot better than all of them. And the last thing that I'm going to say that I really love about my GL 1800 is this right here, the passenger seat. And this was one of the main things that really got me to buy this motorcycle, guys, is, I think it's the best 2-up touring bike ever made. I mean, honestly, the back seat is more comfortable than the front seat, and I've never seen that on any other motorcycle. This bike is just, the suspension handles well for 2-up. It can really handle my wife. She's not fatigued after we do a 2 or 3 or 4 hour ride. It honestly, guys, for that reason and that reason alone, even if I buy the newer model Goldwing, I will always keep this one. Guys, I honestly can say that I love this Goldwing, guys, and it's a motorcycle that I'm going to keep for a long time to come. But those are the things that I love about this Goldwing. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and upon subscribing again, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified upon any video that I upload. It's your boy Al Mac, and I'm out.